Alright guys, since the last video we put 4 brand new tires on the car, and we did the brakes, the valve cover gaskets and all that stuff. But when we had the car up in the air, we noticed there was a lot of play in the tires, so we went ahead and ordered all these parts here. We got the new inner and outer tie rods, and then we got new ball joints, and then we got new sway bar link ends. So I'm working on this right now, and as you can see, got this off here, and there's just a lot of play. It's worse on the other side. So I'm working on about to break this loose, and then I got to get this ball joint nut loose, and I got to get this dropped. I need to go to O'Reilly or AutoZone to get the lower ball joint press tools. But once that's done, which it needs it, at least the front end will be nice and tight now, and then we'll get a front alignment, and I think we should be good to go with that as far as that goes. So I'm going to slowly work on this, and we'll check back in with you guys here soon, see how far I could get. I want to at least get these off today, and then I'll probably work on this a different day. Just trying to do this in my spare time. Shelby's doing good. I just finished washing it. It's real clean. And we beat up on a BMW last night. I'm gonna have to upload that video too. So car's doing great. All right, let's keep working on the Fox body. All right, I'm gonna stop for today. I just only had a little bit of time to work on this, but I've got both the inner and outer tie rod assembly out. Here's the old stuff here and there. Tomorrow I'm gonna rent the tools and try to start replacing these lower ball joints. Once I get those pressed in, this should all go back together fairly quickly. I noticed that the sway bar bushing looked pretty shot too, so I'm gonna see how much those cost. Might as well replace them while the car's apart, and that would be real easy to do now. So stay tuned, we'll keep going. All right guys, we got these bolts here loose, and we had to take the rotor loose to allow the control arm to get past this dust shield. But I did use a screwdriver, and I just kind of wedged it like that, and then I kind of pushed the dust shield forward so this could pop past it. But now we rented this tool from O'Reilly, and pretty simple. You got the cup and the disc, and then you just put this assembly on top, and we're just using a crescent wrench. We ain't got nothing too fancy here. If the car was up higher, we could have used the impact on this, but that's okay. But I got this jack handle, and we're just slowly turning it. And if you could see, but you probably can't in the video, but this is slowly going down. So we're trying to get the old lower ball joint out of here. So that's what we're doing now. All right, the old ball joint is out, and we've got the new ball joint here. Put a little bit of grease around this edge, maybe it'll help it. But we got this configuration here, and then that goes like that, disc on the bottom that goes here. This goes on top. Press it all in. Let's see if this works. Alright, we're all done. Kind of skipped through a bunch of stuff, but you get the idea. All this stuff is new. I'm gonna get the car down here. I did the wiggle test on the tires. Really turned out really nice. There's no play. We got the new inner and outer tie rods, and we got new lower ball joints, and then we got the sway bar link ends, and then we put brand new sway bar bushings. We noticed that there's an antifreeze leak. Looks like we're gonna have to replace the water pump, so that'll be next probably. But the front end will be solid and feel like a new car again after the front alignment. So that's some progress. Get that front end nice and tight again. So we're gonna keep at it and slowly get this car roadworthy and to where we could drive it and take it places. So that's it. I'm gonna get this car down and it's gonna go to the alignment shop. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for our next episode and don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe. Thank you.